Are you tired, cramping, can't sleep, or feeling anxious? What if I told you one mineral could fix all of these problems? Today, we are diving deep into magnesium, the mineral that 80% of people are deficient in, and it might be the game changer you have been looking for. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it for peak performance, better sleep, and optimal health. So let's get started. I'm Jay Patel. I'm a certified PA and I specialize in hormone replacement, weight loss, and performance improvement. Magnesium is literally involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body. Think of it as your body's multi-tool. It's working behind the scene in everything from energy production to muscle function to brain health. Here's what's crazy. Most people are walking around deficient and don't even know it. Modern farming has depleted our soil. Stress burns through magnesium like crazy, and processed food contains almost none. The symptoms of deficiency? Muscle cramp, fatigue, insomnia, anxiety, irregular heartbeats, and even chocolate craving. Yes, that's your body literally screaming for magnesium. But here's the good news. When you optimize your magnesium level, you are going to notice improvement in your energy, sleep quality, muscle recovery, and overall performance that will completely blow your mind. So let's talk about mechanism of action. Let me break down how this mineral actually works, its magic, without getting too sciencey on you. Magnesium is like conductor of your cellular orchestra. It activates enzyme that converts food into energy. So if you are magnesium deficient, you are literally running on empty even if you are eating enough calories. For your muscles, magnesium acts as nature's relaxant. It helps muscle contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, your muscle stays partially contracted, which causes tension, headache, and muscle cramp. In your brain, magnesium regulates neurotransmitters like GABA, which is your brain's natural chill pill. It also blocks excitatory neurotransmitter that can cause anxiety and overstimulation. For sleep, magnesium activates your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your rest and digest mode. It also helps regulate melatonin production, so you can actually fall asleep and stay asleep. Let's talk about what magnesium can do for your health and performance. This list is going to surprise you. Magnesium for energy and performance. It converts food into usable energy more efficiently, improves oxygen utilization during exercise, reduces fatigue and increases endurance, supports healthy testosterone level in men. Magnesium for sleep and recovery. Deeper, more restorative sleep, faster muscle recovery after workout, reduces cortisol level, your stress hormone, and improves REM sleep quality. Magnesium for mental health and cognition. It's natural anxiety relief without the side effects, better focus and mental clarity, mood stabilization, and stress resilience. Magnesium for physical health. Stronger bones, works with calcium and vitamin D, heart health and normal blood pressure, better insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation throughout the body. Magnesium for fitness specific benefits. Prevents muscle cramp during intense training, faster protein synthesis for muscle building, better electrolyte balance, improved power output in the gym. So common symptoms and use of magnesium. So let's connect the dots between your symptoms and magnesium deficiency. This might be eye-opening. So if you experience muscle cramp, especially at night or after workout, magnesium deficiency is likely the culprit. Your muscle needs magnesium to relax properly. Can't fall asleep or stay asleep? Magnesium activates your relaxation response and help regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Feeling anxious or stressed? Magnesium is nature's chill pill. It literally calms your nervous system. Constant fatigue despite getting enough sleep? Without magnesium, your mitochondria can't produce energy efficient. Chocolate cravings that won't quit? Dark chocolate is higher in magnesium. Your body might be trying to tell you something. Headaches and migraines? Magnesium deficiency can trigger tension headache and migraine. PMS symptoms in women. Magnesium can significantly reduce cramping, mood swing, and bloat. Poor workout recovery? Magnesium is essential for protein synthesis and muscle repair. Let's talk dosing of magnesium because getting this right is crucial for results. Oral magnesium. Start with 250 mg to 500 mg daily, preferably in the evening. Take with food to reduce stomach upset. Divide dose if taking more than 500 mg. Upper safe limit is around 800 mg for supplements. Topical magnesium. Magnesium oil or magnesium cream for targeted muscle relief. Great for people with sensitive stomachs. Apply to clean skin. Sometimes it causes tingling initially. Topical is perfect for pre and post workout applications and for those muscle knots. Injectable magnesium. Now this one is only administered by healthcare professional because it's prescription. Used for severe deficiency or medical condition. Much higher bioavailability than oral. Typically, magnesium sulfate is used in a clinical setting. Now timing, very important. Take magnesium 1 to 2 hours before bed for sleep benefit. Post-workout for recovery. With meal to improve absorption. Away from calcium supplements. They compete for absorption. So let's talk about the side effects. Magnesium is generally very safe, but let's discuss about what to watch for when you are taking this supplement. Common mild side effects includes loose stool or diarrhea. This is actually how you know you have hit your upper limit. Stomach upset if taken on an empty stomach. Initial tingling with topical application. Now even though it's mild, here is how you avoid the side effects. Start low and increase gradually. Take with food. Choose better absorbed form like glycinate. If you get loose stools, back down the dose. Rare but serious side effect only occurs with extremely high dosage, usually the prescription strength. Muscle weaknesses, irregular heartbeats and difficult breathing. Very rare though. The good news, your kidneys are excellent at regulating magnesium, so toxicity from oral supplement is extremely rare in a healthy individual. So contraindication. While magnesium is safe for most people, there are some important exceptions. Avoid or use caution if you have kidney disease. Your kidney may not be able to process excess magnesium. If you have heart block or severe heart condition, myasthenia gravis patient, a muscle weakness disorder. Now some drug interaction to be aware of. Blood pressure medication. Magnesium can enhance their effects. Antibiotic. Some may not absorb well with magnesium if taken together. Diuretics or water pill can affect magnesium level. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you are taking prescription medication, if you have a chronic health condition, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you are considering high dose supplementation. Never start any supplement before talking to your healthcare provider. So let's talk about the type of magnesium. This is where it gets really interesting. Not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Let me break down the best forms for specific goals. Magnesium glycinate, best for sleep, anxiety and general supplementation. It's highly absorbed, is gentle on stomach and has a calming amino acid attached. Best taken evening 1 to 2 hours before bed. Magnesium maleate, best for energy, fibromyalgia and muscle pain. The malic acid supports energy production. Best taken in morning or pre-workout. Magnesium citrate, best for constipation and general use. Good absorption but has mild laxative effect. Best taken with meals in a divided doses. Magnesium L-threonate, best for brain health and cognitive function because it crosses blood-brain barrier effectively. Best taken morning for mental clarity. Magnesium taurate, best for heart health and blood pressure. Taurine supports cardiovascular function. Best taken with meals, can be taken anytime. Magnesium chloride, mostly topical. Best for muscle recovery, localized relief. Direct absorption through the skin and best taken post-workout or before bed. Avoid these forms. Magnesium oxide, poor absorption, mainly act as laxative. So if you have constipation problem, you can use this. Magnesium sulfate orally. Magnesium sulfate is better for baths than supplements. My top recommendations for sleep, glycinate. For energy, maleate or threonate. For heart health, taurate. For overall health, glycinate. Here is the bottom line. Magnesium might be the missing piece in your health and performance puzzle. If you are dealing with poor sleep, muscle cramp, anxiety, low energy or slow recovery, magnesium supplementation could be a game changer for you. Start with high quality magnesium glycinate, 200 to 500 mg in evening. Give it 2 to 4 weeks to see the full benefits. Your sleep will improve, your muscle will thank you, and your energy level will stabilize. Remember, consistency is key here. This isn't a quick fix. It's about optimizing your body's fundamental processes for long-term health and performance. Don't forget to like this video. If it helped you, subscribe for more evidence-based health content and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below and let me know what symptoms are you hoping magnesium will help. Until next time, keep optimizing your health.